Angular is a JavaScript framework backed by Google, and we know that it has an exponential growth and the future belongs to it. Angular provides a lot of benefits to the users and businesses due to its most revolutionary feature, single page application. Single page application dynamically rewrites the current page rather than loading entire new page from server. That's what makes it so fast and convenient to use. Let's see why it was built, why Angular was introduced. Whole internet runs on JavaScript. Is actually a very primitive language. It was developed in very short time, about 10 days or so. So it has a lot of limitations in its capabilities. Every time a slight change was made by the user, the whole site needed to be reloaded, and it turned into angry users and businesses having problem, not thinking of going online from that time. And it was becoming a nightmare to stay online. It was high time and we needed change. Therefore, Google started to build Angular and focused on its single-page application, which was introduced later. Hybrid applications, that is Android, iOS, web, and special compression of data and better responsiveness. Because they focused on people, Angular provided quick loading time, use less bandwidth, provides pleasant user experience, and ease in building feature-rich applications. Angular had many milestones like reduced development time, dependency injection, dynamic web application, and easy UI. Angular is easy, cross-platform, it has speed, fastest binding, fastest loading, simplified MVC, and a lot more features. But let's focus on single-page application. It has many benefits like high speed, hassle-free user experience, mobile friendliness, makes your website unique, providing better conversion and brand storytelling. As we know, it's a product of Google. That's why it gets a lot of innovation. It has integrity. It has safety by Google. It has a large community and frequently gets updates. As we know, Google's Chrome is the most used web browser. Angular is highly compatible with Chrome. Angular and Chrome are tightly coupled. Angular has high performance and tailored UI for Chrome. It led towards businesses and users having ease of use. Businesses growing, therefore the need of Angular rose exponentially, and it's spread all around the globe and people are making a lot of money from it. So it's high time to launch a career in Angular. Join us now to be a part of this movement so that you will be the next person who you wanted to be. We are Splixcube. We provide certified Angular training with live project. You can get with touch us on info@splixcube.com and our phone number provided. We are currently providing the training, live training, so sign up now.